Hello children, in this video I will tell you about the differences between matters and non-matters. Now the very first difference is regarding their physical state. We know that there are three physical states: solid, liquid and gas. Children, matters, they generally are solid at room temperature. But there is one matter, that is mercury, which is liquid. So it is an exception. And non-matters, they may be solid, they may be liquid, or they may be gases. Let us see some example of solid non-matters. They can be sulfur, phosphorus and carbon. Liquid non-matter is bromine, and the gaseous non-matter chlorine, oxygen and nitrogen, etc. Now the second property is about the melting point and boiling point. I have already told you about melting point and boiling point. Now matters have high melting and boiling point, whereas non-matters have low melting and boiling point. But in case of matters, matters have high boiling and melting point, I told you. For example, we can take the example of iron. Its melting point is 1536 degrees Celsius. But there is an exception of cesium. Cesium is a metal, even then its melting point is less. Its melting point is very less, it is 28.7 degrees Celsius. Now come to the non-matters. Non-matters, they have low melting and boiling point. For example, we can take the example of sulfur. Its melting point is 119 degrees Celsius. But again, there is an exception, that is of diamond. Diamond is a form of carbon only, and its melting point is 3723 degrees Celsius. Although diamond is a non-matter, but it is an exception that its melting point is very high. And you children, you have to learn about all the exceptions. And then so many questions come on the exceptions, and sometimes question of difference between matters and non-matters is also there in the question paper. One thing more, whenever you write the differences between matters or non-matters or any other difference, please you should write them in the tabular form, not in the paragraph. They should be in a column form with line in between the two columns.